If you've done screen printing before, you've probably gotten a design back and found that there's dots on it. So why are there dots? The reason that you have dots in your print is because in printmaking, you either print something or you don't. Either ink goes down or it doesn't go down. When your design gets interpreted to screen printing, you won't have a clean gradient. Think about it like this. You've got ink going down in a big black spot, and then you've got a white place where there's no ink. And if you want something between the two, you've got to make the black parts smaller. That's as simple as it gets. And this applies to all printmaking. This is screen printing, this is direct-to-garment, this is TruePrint, this is lithography, linocut, or potato prints that you might have done when you were a kid.
Whatever kind of printing you do, you always have to print a shape. Before we get into specific dots you should expect in different print technologies, if you just want to avoid dots or halftones altogether, all you have to do is choose screen printing as your print technology and only design with solid shapes and solid letter forms, and there will be no dots. Mechanical devices, in order to print garments, have to convert into small dots called halftones. When you're dealing with dots, the print technology that you use has a lot to do with what you're going to see, or not see in some cases. With screen printing, you're going to see an LPI, which is lines per inch, somewhere between 35 and 65. With direct-to-print, LPI is going to be in the neighborhood of 360. And with TruePrint, it will be up around 600. With high LPIs like 360 and 600 that you're going to get with direct-to-garment and TruePrint, you will not be able to see the dots with the naked eye. So we'll show those to you under a loop. So the bottom line is this: unless you're designing with solid shapes or solid letter forms, you're always going to have dots, especially in things like photos. What you need to decide is what your tolerance level is for dots in your design. Maybe you want dots, maybe you don't. Pick a technology that matches you and your client's expectations.